Hey there, in this website walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to change your contributions within your online Modafor Comp account. Okay, once you are logged in, click on your Modafor Comp 457 plan balance in the snapshot section of the page. On the next page, make sure your Modafor Comp 457 plan account is selected. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Manage Contributions. Now you can also click the blue Go to Account button at the top of this page. Once the following page loads, hover over the Contribution and Savings submenu, then click Manage Contributions. You'll see your current contribution right here. You can also hover over the View Source Details link to see a breakdown of your total contribution. Now to change it, click the Update My Contributions button. Select whether you want to save a percent or a dollar amount by clicking the appropriate radio button. And remember, you can only save using a percent or a dollar amount, not a combination of both. Then enter in the amount you'd like to save for pre-tax and or Roth contributions. If you'd like to use the auto increase tool, check the box next to I want to pick up the pace and save more, and choose how often and by what amount you want your contributions to increase. Once you're happy with those changes, click the Save Contribution Updates button, review your elections on the next page, then hit Submit. You should receive a confirmation via email or mail within the next few days. I hope this website walkthrough tutorial was helpful. If you have additional questions, feel free to contact the Modafor Comp plan at 1-800-392-0925 or visit modaforcomp.org for more tutorials and educational videos.